do a full walk through and around video of the car. Oh, my window is dirty. I guess I got to do some cleaning. Windshield was replaced last summer. Got a nice big rock while I was driving. All right, I'm gonna mount the camera in a stand and then we'll pop the hood and then we'll start it as well. It's not as clean as I'd like. It's a little dust on it, so I'm gonna do some cleaning. It's been raining for like 2 days, so I can't even take it outside. Everything on this car is pretty much factory and original. No engine mods, no real changes really. I did change the front headlights. So these ones are aftermarket halos. Actually, let me turn those on. So I have these wired as daytime runners, and we can turn those on and off too. I do have the original lights that can be just put back in if you wanted. They're wired in separately. They're wired to a switch in here. Yeah, regular oil changes. What we'll do is I'm going to get this up on ramps, and we'll do some. We'll do a look from underneath as well for the suspension. We'll look at the soft top. It's in pretty good shape. A little bit of wear here and there. Like there's one spot that's a little bit rubbed right here, but otherwise I always have this down anyway. The soft top, I call it gearing, I guess. The frame for it was completely redone about 3 years ago by the previous owner. The soft top was just reused. The back window is in excellent condition. This here is the speaker box that I made. I do have the original up, or this original rear console that can be replaced back in if you want. This is just magnet on. We'll show that. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, so these are just 5x7s. That's just what fits before you get too big. Trying to fit 6x9s in here, this probably would have been much taller. I guess you could redo that. Anyway, this just magnet. It's on there pretty good. Let's see, what else can we do about the interior? Replace the door lock actuator on the driver's side. The rest of the interior is in excellent condition. There's no rips in the seat. There's a little tear in the back of the driver's seat though. I do have another complete set of seats, just they're not in red. They have the power motors and everything. I did have this center console taken out when I redid the stereo. I do have the original stereo that goes in here. This center console here is originally this wood grain. So this center part is just vinyl wrapped right now. I didn't do a great job with the vinyl wrap, so that could come off for this, and you've got the original wood grain underneath. It's actually in good condition. I just wanted to black it out, so I did that when I had the center console out. There's these BMW covers are there. Underneath, the carpet is in excellent condition. It hasn't been wet underneath, so a lot of these cars will get, if they're ever out in the rain, sometimes they'll leak. You'll get water under the carpet into the foam, and it never comes out. This one is perfectly dry. It never goes in the rain. I don't even wash it with water, so it just sits. Not much else for the interior. Everything works. Air conditioning, your heated seats. These buttons on this model year were actually originally back here in an awkward spot. When I had the center console out, I pulled those wires back, moved the buttons to here. This switch here is for the halos on the headlights. So it's basically your daytime runners. You can switch those on and off. Air conditioning, controls, all good. Power windows, everything works. No lights, no issues with that. So next I'm going to put it up on ramps and we'll go underneath. All right, we are under the front end of the car. It is sort of as I bought it. I've never actually cleaned under here. I did put 2 new tie rod ends, so this one is new as well as the other side is new last year. Like under here is all pretty clean. There's no oil leaks. A little bit of sweating there on the A-arm, but otherwise pretty good. There's a little bit of sweating near the transmission back there, but it's never dripped. It's never been an issue. There's no rust. It's just dirt. I guess I can clean under here. It's a good time to do that. Frame rails, like everything is nice. No rust, all very clean. We'll go over the engine bay now next too. Oh, look, I got a bunch of bugs. There we go. All right, here's the engine bay. Adding some light so we can actually see. Actually just makes the dust worse, so it looks dustier than it actually is. I guess I got some cleaning to do. But everything's pretty much original. There's no leaks. Everything works. Regular oil changes. air filter, oil filters here. This cover kind of blocks a lot of the top of the engine there, but never had a reason to take it off. This port here is where your plug would go in for your oil reset, which I have the tool for. Comes with the car. Edges, hinges, hood hinges, everything is good. Like, other than being dusty, this car is like new. Here's the back. You can see brake calipers were repainted to match the red trim I've got back there. Those are all new brakes, new pads, new rotors. Everything on the inside, there's for the e-brake is all brand new as well. And underneath the back, there's all the new suspension, all powder coated. The rear end actually had out, completely flushed, new BMW OEM fluid. Muffler's in good condition. That's probably it's the original muffler as well. Yeah, not much else to show into here. New shocks as well. We'll go under the middle next. And here's all the underside. Again, there's no rust anywhere in this car. A little bit of dirt. Otherwise, if it wasn't dirty, you would think it'd be brand new. We'll take a look at the trunk. All the power locks do work, so when you lock one door and the trunk, they all lock together. This is a car cover. It's actually a BMW cover. There's the amp and all wires. This is a 2000 watt. It's actually a 5-channel amp, but I'm not running a sub right now. So this is just the 4 speakers. There's actually an output for a sub if you want to run that. And under here, all the original tools, except missing one here, and I'm not sure what size that is, but otherwise everything else is good.